I guess this is the baby we're going into.
Oh my God, again.
So put me the a fat church. Oh God, so you see the man who brought them neck from my front. My name not gonna ask you what is. I don't want to go like set with not just you, me get proposed to, okay? Oh my God, wait, what? Good morning. Hey. Oh my God, I'm so crushed, but anyway. Check out the outfit. Jeans crushed bad, but that's not the important part. It's this shirt. Check it out. Can you read what it says? Good, I forget what? Cute, right? Yeah. And we have the logo on the back. I hope y'all can see that, but if you guys are interested in any designer shirt, custom build designer shirt, link me up, okay? I got the hookup. All right, cute, fabulous. Yeah, let's go. Let's get out of here. Lights, camera, action. What we're missing? And my phone. Alright, today we are going on our safari. And it's hot, so that is good. The animal did not come out today. Yes, my love. But I have to catch up that area because it now work at all. But it's not bad. It's giving farid. Jesus, I forgot. I forgot all my heads of the whole day. What the man?
Sorry.
The man frightened me. Love it. Good pussy girl forget things. What? Good pussy girl forget. So cute. I love this design. I'm obsessed with it because it's speaking the truth. But yeah, on a shirt now, if I said I'm not careless to say, I know you can't say what I want it to say. You know, it's custom. Alright? But yeah, 6 o'clock in the morning, bright and early, and we're ready to go. I realized that camera make my teeth look yellow. I forgot to figure out what's going on with that. Where am I driving? Oh, this is what you're driving today? Yes. You're full of care though. Why, you're cool? No, mommy, this is nice.
Nice to you.
Yes. We're going to see some. Hopefully, we see one giraffe today. That's what we really want to see. One giraffe. Alright. Anyway, so I guess we're doing a 3-hour tour. Open back truck. In the
3 hours is a long time to
right,
be
can
out
you imagine
there.
6 hours? No,
yeah,
man,
that's right.
Crazy.
So 6 hours would just be another 3 hours round and round the park.
I don't know if it's another 3 hours or it's probably further. I don't know. Let's see when we get there. Wait, look.
How much should this 3 hours?
270, I think.
What do you mean 270?
170?
What you mean? 170 what?
US!
170 US?
Yeah, I think 170 US.
Is that what it is?
Yes.
Okay.
Then guys, if you don't see this a billboard here, no must want Burger King feed. Look how the billboard big.
And when you get one little something like paper.
No man, mommy, Burger King enough man. What you talking about? We came out here the other day, right?
Yeah, then
Yeah,
that
we did.
fish you put that.
Yeah, we bought right up there, yeah.
When we come back at that one, you that lady
you gonna give it to her?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. I said every minute my Anna freeze up because
Go.
What you mean your hand?
like my joints them are free
That a poor circulation and
dehydrated. So me not eat and drink and none of
yeah,
them.
but that's why I tell you, Ken, you have to drink.
I was drinking, but me need like you know no more cash left in it. A $200 alone me have left.
200 kind of money.
200
Right?
rain alone.
I have no rain.
So you gotta buy fruits. Me not think them not gonna take none of the money.
I don't think they have any.
Eh? I just want watermelon. You cut it right? Cut.
You want the full and a half?
Half like.
You want the half, so you put it.
So the full thing is how much?
You can give me 75.
Okay, but can you cut it up?
I cut for you.
Yeah, please.
You probably want to wash your foot cut up.
Mommy,
You want to wash your foot
I don't want it to wash before. I'm not eating the skin.
Yeah, but it have a dirty mango there. Oh my God.
That's why you have to focus on. Focus on what you want. Banana. Mommy, I said them in a local tier. You see these bananas in America?
The melon are good.
It's not good?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Well, it's not good. I want it to cut up. Alright.
These are local.
Let me see this up and I don't know nothing. What is this?
That one is plum.
That's not local.
Mommy,
It's not.
don't tell me we're local or local.
Three and four.
Yeah, cut up.
Yes, cut it up.
Probably need like a bag or something. You have a plastic bag? Man, you cut yourself.
Careful.
Cut it this way. Just cut it that way. Yeah.
This is a knife. Go get the bag and come back. Get the bag.
She take over the job, my love. Mommy, you don't want one of the mango?
No.
No?
Check your ticket because it's white.
You want melon?
If you don't
It's nice.
going good for you.
Eat.
Can you know what? Not more, it's a lot of melon.
Looks like we're here. 3 hours later.
What happened?
Me I tell him, say, look at the reach 3 hours later. Hi, I'm good, you? Good. So I guess this is the baby we're going into. Yay! I'm excited. I can't wait. Sorry for this. You ask me. Me not have no if I put them in the mommy, so put them back in your bag.
No, I want them in like.
Oh. Oh, damn. The sun is hot. Turn up ball ya some mommy. Sun hot.
In Singapore.
Yeah. They want to sit together.
Both of them?
Yeah.
So, we together?
Yeah, come on, yes, sir.
No, I don't want to sit with you.
You don't want to sit here? Oh. Mommy says she needs to move.
Deixa o trabalho mais difícil para ele.
I'm waiting for my mother-in-law.
He's ready for his what?
My mother-in-law, because she's the one who have the skin to wake the lion up, bring them closer.
Okay.
Or there's someone here who wants to stepping in for her. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is George. George. Yes, nice meeting you all. I'm going to be your guide. So we're going to be together for 3 hours and 5 minutes. So forgive me for 5 minutes extra in advance. I hope everyone is ready. Thank you. Imbengeni sipenda. Ngibona sisibo. Mbengi.
Wanga. What kind of rocky that is? What is it? Hold on a minute, George.
They're, oh my God! There's so much!
All right. Is the view okay? So they called the McDonald of the bush.
McDonald.
Yes, other people they call them the Impala. So the name McDonald, they're coming from their back. Can you see their back? Can you see the black stripe?
Oh yeah.
When you combine its emblem, they breed very well. So they're everywhere. So these ones, their duty is to welcome everyone who going in and out. So they can eat between 2,500 to 3,000 kilograms of food.
These are babies to the one we
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, I must tired of me over him.
Right. Because they must come over here, so then if it's something on this side. So it's cold.
É uma girafa.
Uma girafa, virei.
Oh! Giraffe is coming towards them.
Oh! Giraffe is right there. Oh my God. Him a run. Him a leave.
Don't leave Giraffe.
I was going to cross the road.
Oh, he is.
Ali, ela não gostou do. Ela está a fugir dos machos. Ela
Oh!
é linda. Eu pensava que vem em câmera lenta, não é?
Is the view okay?
Yes.
All right, that is a male giraffe. Look at the osokon of the horns. The horns are shiny because the hair, they don't cover the whole horns. They cover only the side. Hey! Zamunad! Picture video is good for the updates, for the TikTok, for the gram. Alright, for the gram. Alright.
Elephant, yeah, it's like moles to the one and put it together. We're so tight to come here.
Anyway. Nice giraffe. Yep.
Can you see everyone?
No.
Little bit this side.
Yes.
Making my way downtown. I'm feeling kind of numb. I don't know what's happening, man.
Thank you.
Oh, you can't see.
Can you see?
Ela tá aqui já, pô.
Manda cá, pô.
Yes, Hippo. Can you see the yellow ones? The
What are they?
Yeah.
What are those?
Those.
The black. Oh my god, this is a lot.
Bigger than Impala.
Oh wow.
Stop. Stop, please.
Look at me.
The baby.
What is with the dog calling? It's crazy.
Come again?
Não, um miozinho aqui. São os meninos de Goiás aqui.
You just wait a moment and just be right behind you. My identity, the signal is big, but when I read the messages from other stations.
Is the view okay?
Good.
You is perfect. Thank you, George.
It's a male.
Bye.
Are you good?
Yep.
Está aqui para proteger a criança.
Nosso Pedro está ali. Boa nada.
Oh my god, wait, what? Wait. What is happening here?
If you lift it up, it drops a lot of fluid on the body, not a lot of water. So that's the reason why.
The tour is over, guys. It was awesome. It was so good. Now we're about to go eat some lunch.
Alright, take care.
We didn't get to see all the animals that we wanted to see, but guess what? Me see what me want to see. Me see the giraffe. That me been a bank pan.
Did you see the giraffe?
Yeah, you heard me tell you earlier, say, the giraffe I want to see. As long as we see a giraffe, I'm good.
Yeah, more. That's the one.
It's a couple giraffe. But yeah, it was fun. We never get to see couple because you know a rainy time or whatever. But it was fun. Amazing. I know we're there on the property somewhere. I don't know. We're gonna eat some food. Hopefully there's some food when we can eat.
Yeah, so
you know what I mean?
Hopefully. My stomach can manage.
First a prayer.
Babum kiss. John. Sorry. After you.
Hello. Hi. When we'll get some food and come right back.
Never ever asked if we're doing anything.
And in any case, it's their problem. I'll be there, not
One hour the money
Sustainable. What's up, cuties? Well, and we're home, and somebody decides they want to be bad mind and jealous because Moa got to walk with the elephant. Somebody was up to me, so now they want to walk with the lion. So that's what we better do. Is it the lion? Yes, the lion. So that's what we about to do right now. We both go walk with some lion. Jesus. I'm not too sure what I want, you know. I don't know if I have the stomach. I'm not too sure yet. Who do you think you can manage that one here?
Which one?
That one here.
When there?
That one here. If we walk with that, something here we are walking right now.
I know, may I try?
Yeah, try. Hello.
Hello.
Whew.
How far will I walk with it?
I don't know, my love.
I'm tired already, but never walk with it.
Oh my God! Why did I follow you do this?
Water, because I see the water that I drink.
5 rand entrance? I'm joking.
Oh my God!
Which one?
It doesn't matter. I know the blue one. Thank you.
You must have seen that. You see to them. Jesus, what is so high?
Ooh. What we do with this?
You stand outside. Just keep it. I will explain to you.
Oh. Shit. We about to fight.
I'm gonna go through some few safety rules about walking with the kids, and these rules are made for all safety. So let's follow the rules so that we can all have a good time with the lions. A walking stick that you have in your hand, it's not meant to hit the lions, but it's a command that we're giving to the kids. If any of our lions tries to come anywhere near you, instead of you thinking of running, that's where your stick comes in. Your stick works more like a barrier or a boundary between you and the lions. Walking with the big boys. The two brothers.
Here they come.
The one walking in front, his name is Milo, 7 years old. And then his brother at the back, hip hop, is 9 years. We're talking about fully grown lives, sexual maturity. So this is Milo right here. So these are the two brothers that we're going to be walking. And then just move out. Like I said, they are already on the sexual maturity. So every now and then you're going to be seeing them spraying. Things that in our lives, they don't hunt. But they do hunt. But only thing is because they spend most of their time protecting their territory. Silent walkers. Their feet are designed to track the sun all the time. As you can hear our footsteps as we walk. But with lions, their feet are designed to trap the sun, giving them more chances to get closer to the prey without any notice. Stretch all the way here, all the way to all the way this side, all the way this side, and start here. That's the last one.
Oh my God, look at it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to just listen at me very carefully. Here, we don't allow you to go everyone in front at the same time. We're going to help you to take some pictures. That side we have Annette, and I'm going to help you from this side. One by one. We show you where to stand, then we take you some pictures. They say never turn your back to the land, but now we give you a chance.
Oh my God, I'm so hot.
Okay.
Yeah. Same it, man. Yep. Here.
He's hard up there.
Yeah,
Boy, you see how effortlessly he got up that tree? Nothing. Just like a cat. Just wouldn't expect that with something that big.
You done?
Okay. It's yours. Whose cell phone? It's yours? All right. You're going to be the one creating a single file. Your husband behind you. To the left side. Left
So now
side.
Bono,
Jesus
Christ, what can't manage it?
See when
Guys, that was an experience. I can't even explain it to you. That was something terrifying and happy at the same time. Excitement and just scared at the same time. I can't explain it.
It was an experience.
Yo, that was something. So I'm gonna drop some sleep right here, so. See you soon when we reach back at the hotel, alright? Bye. What's up, YouTube family? Good morning. It is Tuesday. We are heading home today. It is 5 in the morning. No, I'm lying, it's 7 o'clock. I'm getting picked up right now. We'll flight leave like 3 o'clock, but we want to go to the market so bad, so bad. Wake up early, we're going to still go to the market. And then, spend like probably 1 2 hours if it's interested. If it's not, then we just video and come back and we have. Yeah. But the look for today, since we're in the cool mirror, this cute little bodysuit from Amazon. Very nice, very sexy. It's giving body yaddy yaddy yaddy. Anywho, Anyway, yeah, that's what I'm wearing home. So, but just straight out from now, I'm pack already. So when I come back, we'll just go grab stuff to go and go. I'm thirsty. Every day when I'm supposed to eat my body for thirst every day. Cause you know, sir, I never saw one place like a water, so yeah. Ooh, so nice out here. Oh my god, it's so safe. Let me say my last night. Let me tell you say my last. Good morning. Say hi to the vlog. They probably know you by now, they see you every day. My last me, my mic. Lost the mic, guys. Swear to God. Can't believe it. But yeah, we're going to see what Johannesburg market is about today. Let's go. So guys, we're finally here. We're at Joburg's market. It is huge. Big. I think this is the back though, right? The back part? This is the back?
Yes.
Your glass dirty like.
Oh, hey. Now I need the bathroom. Where can I find it here?
You better find a bush.
Yes.
This pear?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the American apple. Yeah, what you call it?
Abel.
Yeah, that's apple. But watch out, mommy said the people them now have no lime. Look all the lime them big and juicy. I got to talk about the lime, but then the people in place. Is this a plum? I think this is it. Oh my god, I need cash. I think this is the plum where we grew up in Jamaica. Ooh! Oh my god! Is this true plum? Oh no, a pear. Is it pear? I don't know what this is. I forgot if the man they walk with me, cause I don't know what it is. What is this?
This one I don't know. Let's go and ask this guy.
I don't know.
This one I don't know.
Can't be saying I don't really know nothing, you know. But say, the girl go find one man to change money. The man said him only change 1,000 and 2,000 and 3,000, 1,000 up. I'm like, okay, bye. So I don't know. The driver gone pee-pee. I don't know if it makes sense for me walk out the damn. But tell the man if I want some more money for changing car, I come here. So I forgot to find someone for changing money. And then I could come back because my drive come too far. Doesn't make no sense. And it doesn't make no sense. Me I walk out the people at the market and carry me buy one little plum. Something. I have to buy something. Just done. I say anywhere you go you find Lucas HG. I say she there everywhere. Hey, you better look where you're going. No fuck. I went in there already, I don't want to go back in there. What is this? What's this? You don't know nothing. But you don't know to tell me what is nothing. You don't know none of these stuff. And there's no name on it.
So I need banana.
I know bananas.
Those one I don't know.
No, so this one is banana. I don't think these people sell single goods inside here. You prepare funny? I'm not even gonna ask you what is. I'm not even gonna ask you. It looks like a plum.
Yeah, it's
What is this?
It's a yellow plum.
It's a plum.
they written it.
Oh, you find something? 50 rand for how much? I see 50. I'm not sure if that's
50. Oh, this is the cost.
is
So it's 50 rand a box.
a box. Oh, so it's only by the box. Okay. Okay. All right, thank you. Does anything selling here singular? Everything go by the box?
Everything go by box.
Everything inside the market go by the box. Oh,
You can buy one box.
so you have to buy a box.
You can't buy loose.
Okay.
No problem.
Got you. Thank you. Yeah, that's what I thought. Everything go by the box in here. So we can't even try anything because hi. Should enjoy our back ride. Excuse me. Is there a name for this? No?
Friends are doing about
You know what it is?
sweet and wealthy.
It's a sweet and what?
Wealthy.
Sweet and wealthy. Is it a? It's, oh, I'm not thinking no way I can't either. It's panganut. I know this. Yeah, we have that. One thing they're full of is pear. Yeah, avocado they call it here same way. They're full of that. Let's go. Let's go back out here. Because this will make sense. It's basically the same thing over and over. We'll try one different side. Here.
This one banana like you.
All type of madness. I feel like I come out of my bed for nothing. Can't be cave eat one plum. Yeah. These niggas look at me like I'm a piece of meat. It's crazy. What you doing? Delivering? Pick up? Oh, apples. Okay, so the apples grow here? Okay. Got you.
Pears and
Pears?
peaches.
Okay. But what I want to know if they grow here or they...
Going there in Cape Town.
Oh, they grow in Cape Town? Okay. Got you.
Our bosses have their own farms.
Oh, they do? Okay. Alright, thank you. You as well. Oh my god. This is cabbage? What the heck is this? Is this cabbage?
Yes.
Yeah, but shit is big. Oh my. That's big. This is Irish too. I think they're all Irish potato. Yeah, they're all Irish potato.
I'm not gonna want all of this. Oh. Them pour out in this already. Entire inside here is just onion everywhere. I cannot. Oh my god. So pour my pump on the fat. Oh, it don't really happen at Johannesburg. No sir. Told me in the front of them man, you act weird. Lord, cut on me the sheet. We can't go down this side. Boy. It's like cuties. Support me to have one fat church. Oh God, suppose you see the man who brought them neck from my front. I don't know me now, I'm pump already. This is crazy. Yes, my love. We got to leave. And they want to kidnap me. They want to eat me alive. And the ladies, they look at me like they want to kill me. Okay, yeah, we're leaving. This is too much. Maybe if I go on the next side. Are you tired? You done? I'm done. You now walk no more with me. I'm tired. Hi. I need water. Water. Yeah, change. Alright guys, that is the tour at the market. Them say we can't video that side day. I don't know where the other side day. Why we can't video it, but hello. We already get a little piece. So we are leaving. Where I'm gonna go get ready to. Well, I'm already ready. May I get some KFC for mommy? Oh, we're gonna try the KFC here. So I'm gonna get some KFC for my mom and I, and then go in and get myself ready for check out by 11 o'clock. It's 8:49 now, and yeah, our flight's at 3, so I'll see you when I get in. Bye. Yeah, run go get it? Oh no, let me get it, because we don't know the water that I want. You want water?
Yes.
You will drink it?
Yes.
I'm not forcing you to drink it today. I'm not forcing you.
Forcing me.
Huh?
But you are not forcing me, but very soon you will force me.
Why?
Because I'm going to marry you.
You're going to marry me? Weird. Hey! Well, I'm dating there today. I don't want to go out like set with no just you get proposed to, okay? Remember that. I am marrying an African cab driver. Right, that's it. Hi, you have barbecue? What kind of chicken you have?
Okay.
What kind do you have?
What kind of chicken do you have?
Normal chicken, just normal.
We know the chicken is normal. Is it barbecue, original, spicy?
Original.
That's all?
We don't sell spicy.
Okay.
Only the wings are spicy.
Okay, good.
And we have dunked wings.
You have what kind of wings?
Dunked wings.
Dunk.
With the honey and ginger soy.
Okay. So, is there a meal with 3 pieces and fries?
Yeah.
And how much is that meal?
She said
How much is the 3 piece?
200.
You want that the original?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that. And please make the French fries very hot. So we want fresh fries.
fresh fries very hot.
Yes.
What are fresh fries very hot?
Hey.
Which one? What about?
You can go. You can put in. We're gonna pay. We're gonna pay.
Yeah, put the order in. We're gonna pay you there.
This one?
Yeah.
Yes, that one.
She now move until she get her money.
So you want me to be tired before you go, nah?
Yeah, she'll walk your life out of you.
Okay.
Before you
What
left
kind of drink you have?
Okay.
Oh man, me tell them so we can't reach home. Vacation is nice, but I know.
When it done,
At some time it needs to come to an end. My body under pressure.
Same thing was happening to you the other day when you went to Jamaica. You push your body a lot.
So the face is ugly too.
Just one glass
And this
Sprite.
one get the
No, what's going on? Is this
One-
water?
One cup.
What's in that?
Sprite.
Oh, they don't come with
Sprite.
juice? Oh, they don't?
Oh wow! Thank you, dear.
Do they come with
Village.
Sprite?
Look what's in the bag before you move, because you know your system at
Or
order.
you didn't order anything that you are going to drink.
I didn't know. I thought it came with juice. It's fine. It's okay.
No, it's not fine.
Okay.
What's in the bag? Is my food in the bag?
It's in the bag with me.
Fries in there?
Yes. Jesus.
Thank you. I love what my food lady. I miss river. Can't help it. Thank you. So Kian, give me the food. No? Oh, you want flag?
No, take it. Yeah, mother today.
It's a flag. I don't like when you have to take long for flag your food, you know.
You can't go do it at all.
Because you know my fries to cold.
Yeah, the same thing. Other take your box. It's a 4 wings. Look like.
Watch out. How about this?
Wow.
It's chips.
Fries.
Right.
No, that's it. You'll never be good. Number 5, no good. No good at all.
It's spicy. Oh my god. This is good.
Let me take some away.
Oh yeah, definitely.
It's a fries that you cooked for last night. Not here long there.
Not last night. The best spice of chicken I ever taste.
Not fries to win.
It don't taste good?
No. Honestly.
That's what the chicken looking like, guys. I don't know it taste yet.
Oh, you want to see yourself when you are eating.
But I understand wrong with the case thing.
And I'm going to find you. That's crazy, guys.
No, mommy attack bomb.
That's crazy.
Not the chicken, the fries them cold, but the chicken tastes good.
This piece of chicken here. Get chicken too.
Yeah.
Chicken a piece by the wings. Some of that drop, and that's water.
You finished that watermelon
It's good.
yesterday.
To be honest, this chicken here, I think, a little better than Jamaica chicken. Reason being, Jamaica KFC is very oily. I just don't not like so.
Fun fact about me, guys, KFC is my favorite fast food. Except for me the Jamaican. No, I can't wait too long in a line. Jamaica will take too long to feed you. You don't walk. You don't walk on a line, man, Jamaica.
Jamaica people them get too lazy. The young people them not learn to cook, them can't do nothing.
That's why the line full some of me?
Yes.
Yeah,
I remembered back in the days, KFC was a luxury. People used to go to KFC Friday night and Saturday night, you couldn't manage the line.
When KFC are coming, pitting them frightened.
No.
Once a blue moon, pitting get KFC.
Now every single day KFC line long wrap up the whole of Ligani.
Ligani alone, everywhere you go.
People them lazy, my body now cook them yard and they want man, and they want good man and good man.
Alright guys, we're headed to the airport now, so look more. Bye. You're out? No, I'm doing it. Okay, cuties. We're soon over this one. I don't know, I'm not feeling good at all. My head that hurt me right here, so just feel weird. But anyway, that's beside the point. We're in Cape Town. So we came from Johannesburg to Cape Town, and then we're gonna go from Cape Town to Washington DC, and then from Washington DC to Connecticut, or whatever. The body not bodying right now. The mind, the brain, everything just down. 6:26 our flight at 8 something. So we're on a long layover. So I go and bill, get something for drink. I'm bored and go home. I don't know how to reach me yet because I'm not feeling good. Can't take up the camera back again. So, they'll soon in after, okay?